Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Terra, stable coin right now. The update for this one, and yesterday I brought this update here that you're looking for this trend line to be respected. And if you're actually gonna start lose this line, which was 472, then that was gonna be the end of the trade. And so far you've done that and you've lost that level. So what are you gonna do next? I actually do recognize a pattern on the daily, and it's something that I just want to bring it out there so quickly, and that's a bear flag, right? So you made this bear flag out there and you broke the bear flag, and now you're looking to actually go way lower. So that's going to be from the top here to the bottom, and you're breaking out of this level. So you're looking for UST to actually come all the way down to 3214371. So that's going to be a drop of nearly from there to there. That's going to be like 27%. So one thing is very clear: we don't have any uptrend now. The uptrend is, I think, exhausted. It's done, and we're looking for USTC to basically make its retracement at the moment, because it's been overextended, guys, and I wouldn't be surprised if we just keep dumping for the next coming few days as well. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is look out for a reversal wave, maybe. So here we are. So that's 32195. And what is a reversal wave is that when you have that impulsive move to the upside, then you actually do come to retrace. Actually, not even reversal wave. What I want to do is I want to tell you a key level of price that this is looking to really come down to retrace. Number one, you can see that the fact that you're coming to the 0.382 is actually your technical target out of that bear flag. Do you see? Even on the fib retracement, you're going to find support right there. So yeah, you might make a little bit of a bounce here, maybe. But the thing is, I would expect it to even retrace all the way down to this level. This is a level that it has to retrace to and hold that level to actually continue higher. Now, the thing about retracing like this is that the higher you go, the down you go. But the down you go, the even more higher you're going to build up the momentum to move higher. So the red is like the fuel for the green, which is not a bad thing, as long as you just hold that golden ratio. But if you lose this golden ratio, we're going to talk about the next technical targets, which can actually be nasty down to these levels as well. And that's it for this quick update on USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.